and welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Moto Edge Plus. It's a very nice phone. First step, make sure that the phone is powered off. Once it's powered off, locate the power button, the volume down. Press and hold both keys. Once the phone comes on, remove your fingers off of both keys. Scroll down to recovery mode, press the power button to select it. Once you see this picture, press and hold the power, tap the volume up, scroll down to wipe data factory reset, press the power button to select it. Factory data reset, again the power button to select it. As you can see, it's formatting the phone. Once you go back to this screen, press the reboot system now. And there you go. Moto Edge Plus. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.